Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about, is it worth going ahead with Gemini Advanced version or Gemini Flash 2.0 without paid version is fine enough. So for you to make this decision, I have created this video to figure out how is this Flash and thinking experimental different from the Pro version. We can see we are in the Flash mode right now. One of the chat that I have done is was it to create a Pentagon JS app in which a ball bounces inside a rotating Pentagon on screen. This is a trivial test. I have asked Gemini Flash 2.0 to do this. Make sure that the ball bounces when in contact with the boundary of the Pentagon box. It makes sense, right? So it was able to provide me with code, but we can see here is the output of that. After that, we see that Pentagon is rotating, but the ball is out of the hexagon. Oh, it's Pentagon actually, but that's fine. Fix it so that the ball bounces inside the Pentagon and uses color teal white. Okay, it generates another code, but still I feel that ball should be inside Pentagon, and I reclarified it with a caution that this is how it should be. It does some thinking and tells that my apologies, the previous course was improved, and there was still a possibility of ball escaping, especially at the higher speed after many bounces. It provides some code, but this is BS. It still does not work. Give me the entire code. Earlier, it provides us some part of the script we see, right? The total amount of information that it provides is not what we want right now. Going ahead, it provides us with the entire code. We try to run it, and out of frustration, we ended this. Going ahead with another version of Gemini to see how things look like, bouncing ball in a Pentagon. So going at the top, we see Gemini created a JS app in which a ball bounces inside a rotating Pentagon on screen. Make sure that ball bounces when in contact with the boundary of a Pentagon box. This is exact same. So it goes ahead and gives us the output. It even tells us, explains actually how the ball is, how the code is structured, HTML content, canvas setup, Pentagon drawing, and whatnot. Also the collision response as well. Make the ball more bouncier and visually pleasing. Okay, so after getting this code, we will try to run this code. We see this was the output. This is the output that we get from the correct code, and it's perfect. Even in the first setup, the ball is still rotating inside the Pentagon is rotating itself, and the ball is able to bounce off the wall. That's it. Moving ahead, I asked him to make the visuals more appealing, ball more bouncier and visuals more appealing. It generated the code and even tried to explain it, and wow. And here is the output of how the current things are with the current output. I will try to run that code for you. So what we want? So here is it. It's pretty impressive, right? We see how the trail of the ball is moving along with the ball's direction. Still, there is some catch, but for a first round to work like this is simply fantastic. We can see how it is care of friction, which is helping the ball move in the direction that is inclined towards the bottom. It is coming towards the bottom of the Pentagon, the reason being the work of gravity. So yeah, I think even the collision direction is working fine. So here was the output. Cool. Thank you everyone. This is what is the difference between the advanced version, the Pro version, and the Flash version that we have. The final conclusion is Flash is for the flashy things that are cool and for your everyday task. So yeah, and for Pro, it looks like it is a very large data model and has a very deep understanding about a lot of things, especially coding. For our example, we can see. So that is how things work. That's it. Thank you everyone.